Every successful organization relies on an efficient project management tool to thrive and innovate successfully. Samantha Dengate, Senior Project Manager at Diggs, faced a mounting challenge with rapid team growth. Rapid expansion needs a quick solution. They required an easy-to-learn, organized, and efficient project tool fast. As Diggs aimed to enhance pet products, they knew effective management processes were essential for growth. Diggs created the Revel Dog Crate, focusing on innovation for a safer crate training experience. However, coordination amidst growing responsibilities led them to reevaluate their project management approach entirely. After testing several systems, ClickUp emerged as the solution. Quick to adopt with minimal training required. Significantly, they experienced reduced meeting times and a more streamlined approval and revision process. Transparency increased as team members easily checked project status, regaining valuable time for actual work. Ready to take control of your projects like Diggs? Dive into ClickUp University to enhance your skills.